Hi, my name is Travis Townsend from Tune Up Your Web. Today we're going to talk about using Facebook targeted updates for your Facebook business or fan page. Now, targeted update is basically an update that you're able to target to a certain demographic, whether it be the region, state, city, or the gender or even age of your intended audience. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tab over to my business page and show you how to do this. From your business page, just click Edit Page up here on the upper right. From there, you click Marketing and Send an Update. Now, from this screen, you just choose this radio box here, selection box, and then you target your update based on the location. Here, you've got every country around the world by state, where you can choose which state you want, or even by city. In this case, I'm going to type California. Okay, I want all males and females. Now the age range, it starts at 18. And as you can see, it ends at 65. So I'm going to keep that any and any because I don't want to exclude anyone 18 to 65. Now I have already typed up what I would like to have my update say. So I'm going to tab over to Text Edit, grab my copy, move back over into my message here, paste it, and then I'm going to get rid of that top line and post it up into the subject line because that's what that one is. Okay. So my update is now ready to send. Everyone in California, male and female between the ages of 18 and 65, will receive my update when I send this. Everyone that is currently a fan of my page, that is, not just everyone in California. So make sure you understand that. One cool function about sending an update is the record video function. Get yourself a good video camera, record videos whenever you can, even if it's just a quick, hey, how you doing? Today we're going to be doing this event down in Pasadena, or hey, meet us out at the beach today for a free giveaway. Real quick, easy updates. Your fans love those. I know I do, and they don't take a whole lot of time to do or to watch. So this update is ready to go. I'm gonna click send. When I do, all of my fans are going to get this update. It's sent out. So I'm done with this update. If you have any questions, I'm done with this video. If you have any questions about Facebook, Twitter, web development, search engine optimization, or design questions, please feel free to give me a call, 626-344-8728. Send me an email, support@tuneupyourweb.com. Please check me out at tuneupyourweb.com. Go to my Facebook fan page. And make sure to check out more videos on YouTube, youtube.com/tuneupyourweb. Thank you very much and have a great day.